Welcome back viewers. In this video we will register user to the database. In previous video we made our database and one table name registration with 8 columns. So here you can see the columns. So we will register user to the database in this video. So let's start. First of all, I will open my VS Code here. So we made this connection class in previous video. So now I will create here files. This file will be register.php and then will be action.php. I will make all actions inside here. I will go to here in Bootstrap, get started, and I will copy this and paste it here. I'll just remove this hello world and here will be register. After that I need here one form. So again I will go to here in Bootstrap, just then component, and then I will come here to forms and I will copy this form here and paste it here inside. I don't need this small text. I will copy and paste it here. This text type should be text. Here name will be, I will give it name of name. This area by we don't need, ID we don't need, we are not using JavaScript, and label, so this leave it like this, and I will copy this one and paste it again, name, and then here username it will be capital and then name will be also username. And for the email I don't need this name, this will be equal to email. For the password I will copy and paste one more time, and this checkout we don't need. On the password one, this will be for the confirm password, and here also we don't need this. Label will be repeat password, and for this one I will give the name of password, and to make it look good I will just give it one container, wrap it inside one container, this container, and then row, and then inside the row I would need here call md3. I will make here 3, and I will just cut from here and paste after form. This one I will make it 6, should be also after the form here, and now it's a good thing I will give it shadow, and here I will create one as 3 tag, register, and the class will be here bg info, and then where padding will be 2 and text also will be center. So the next thing will be center. Now let's see how does it look now. I will come here and do localhost, then register. So I see it looks like this. It's good, but I will make this text will be white and here a little bit of padding. So here will be text white, and after that here will be pb, padding from bottom I will give 5, no problem. So now let's see, you see it's looking good. So our registration page is complete now. So then next thing we have to do, then I will come here, I will create another file. This file will be users. We will make our classes and the functions inside here. First I need to initiate PHP, and then I will include once this connection dot php. After that, I will start one class. This class will be user. This will extend class of connection, this class here. So you can copy and paste it here. So now the user class will be subclass of connection class. We can directly access inside this class. So the next thing, I have to make one function. This will be a public function. So name will be insert. We will insert user, so you can name it anything you like. First argument will be table, second will be data. Then we will check if our data is not empty. If not empty data, and we will check if data is also is array data. So if we have these conditions, then we will create here a variable. This will be columns equal to implode, and we will implode this by comma, and then we will give here array keys. So this array key will be data. The second variable will be for values, so I will give it name of values. First we will have this and this, because in video prepare you need this colon. So after colon we will concatenate this one implode, and here we are going to implode comma and colon, and then we have array keys, and here we will pass also data. After that we will write here SQL statement. This will be SQL equal to insert into, and here you have to give a space. Then I will just concatenate this one here, and then inside again I will concatenate this one here. So then will be values, and inside the value double quotes, and the last double quote going to end. So here we will pass our value, and here will be columns, and here we will pass our table. So insert, okay, this should be equal to, so here insert into table name, here we will pass table name there. Then columns, whatever the column name, it will come in array, so we don't need to specify the columns here. Then will be the values, we don't need to specify also values here, so this will be added dynamically here. After that we have to give this prepare statement. This will be query equal to this db, and here will be prepare, and we will prepare this SQL. So now this db name is coming from directly this connection class. So here is our db variable, and after that we will create here for each data as, here I will give it name of key value, because we will get key and value, and then will be value. So then we are going to bind query, then will be bind, bind value, and here we will bind with value, then colon, and then dot key and comma value, and then after Now we will execute our query here. Variable, this variable name just will be insert equal to query dot execute, and then we will return here this insert variable, else return false. So our this insert statement is done from here. So now the thing to work in action.php. So here first thing will be initiate PHP, and then include once this users.php, and then I will give here one just table name. This will be equal to, here is our table name, this is registration. I'll just come here and paste it here. So this is our table name. Then I will just come here, give the db equal to new user, and now we created instance of this user, this class. So we have to give it if is set post, and I guess in the register we didn't give the name of this submit class. I will give it one name. There will be submit. If is set is submit, and I will give this username. I will just give this name of required. So email will be required also, and the password will be also required. We don't want them to be empty except of username. After that I will just come here, copy this submit and paste it here. Then we have this one here. After that I will give another condition. This will be if $post, here will be confirm password is not equal to post password. Then we are going to write here the message equal to password must match. So small message, and then we will have here header location. We will redirect user to the same page. So this will go to location of register.php. We will exit from here, so we don't need to execute further the codes. So now here I will wrap this message in a session variable. So I have to start session here. So session.start, and I will create here one message of session. Inside the session I will just write message. This message will be equal to this message. So whatever the message are here, so we will go through this one. If it is equal to password, then first thing we have to do, hash the password here. So we will create here hash the password be equal to password hash, and here will be dollar and dot post this password, and second thing will be here password default. So after that we will create here one array. This will be user data equal to array. Inside this array here first will be name. This one will be equal to post name, and I will copy it and paste it 3 more times for username, email, password. This is username. This one will be email, and here will be password. So we don't need this one here. So here will be hashed password. So after that, we have to call that function insert equal to db. We have this function here, insert. I will copy and paste it here, and then will be table name. First we need table name, second argument will be this user data. So user data, and then will be that message. I will come here for the message. This one will be equal to insert. If insert, this here we will give a ternary for if else. So if this one will be thank you for just string. This will be as here, and else if it's not working, then we have colon as else. There is some problems. So now, so this one is done here. I will just come copy this session variable. So I will make it here. We have to give here header location. Location will be here to index.php. We don't have this file, so we will just see if we redirected here to or not. I guess everything is fine from here. Let's try see if it's working or not. Just come to here, and we don't have any error here. Bookd test username adminsite.com, and this password here will be password. And so main thing is come here in register. We have to give the method here. This method should be post. And now let's see. And now let's see test and password. Okay, there is some problem. Come and check. I have to include here this action. First thing will be here PHP, and then close PHP, and then here will be include once this action dot php. Now let's see how things are working. Connection is okay. Prepare we have in users, so this should be prepare here. Now let's see. I hope now this time everything will be working. I will just give them password here. Okay, syntax error unexpected of file expecting function users. See users line number 25. Oh, here we have to close this class. We didn't close this class curly brackets, so this should come here. And yes, now let's try again. Welcome to here in register. So connection is okay. We don't need this message really, but I will remove this one. Admin site, then password. You see here we redirect directed to the index.php. That means we register our user successfully. Now if I go to here, so just refresh, and you will see this is our user here. So this is booktest@adventsite.com, and this is password and date created, and this is for the profile, the name of as default image.profile. So let me come here, so we don't need this connection. Okay, so we don't need to call it here also. So now come back, register this one another. This one will be Jamal, and here this one will be now test 1, and this one will be here baloch@gmail.com, and password, and we are again redirect to the index.php. And if I come here now, we have these two users here. Our user registration is working very fine. That's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.